I just want to talk to us about 5 levels of multiple streams so that we can throw that out there because I know that we have different people in the audience so that you can find out that will help you. So when we talk about multiple streams of income, it simply means that you must have different things that is producing money for you. And in order for you to do it effectively, it must not be multiple struggles. Because a lot of people are involved in multiple struggles, and I think I've shared that in this house already. So now, 5 levels of multiple streams. Number 1, you must have multiple streams of income across income types. You must have multiple streams of income across income types. What does that mean? There's a type of income where you labor in order to get money. And in order for you to get money again, you have to labor again. So you are a fashion designer. You labor to sew dress, you collect money. No sewing, no money. You are a baker or caterer. You bake, you make money. No baking, no money. You are a engineer or architect. You design a house, you make money. If you don't design again, you will not make money again. So you must move away from that to a level where you don't need to be involved, where you can send money on assignments, and without you having to labor, the money will be the one laboring for you. So by doing that, you are going to be making a lot of money. So number 1, income across income stream. Number 2, you must have multiple streams across industries. Multiple streams across industries. I did not have any investment in the health sector until 2020. When I saw COVID and they started talking essential service, I said, okay, so this is an essential service now. Even hotel don't shut down. Everywhere don't shut down. Wow. So I started looking for people that are into the health sector to invest. Chemists. If you know the kind of money in chemists, fear will catch you. I hope you know that many drugs in Nigeria does not expire for 5 years. Yeah. Many drugs, yeah. 3 years, 5 years, they don't expire. So chemists is big money. Big money. So I now realize that, wow, all this pharmacy, all this, so you can look so across industry. So don't just stay only in one industry because you are knowledgeable about that industry. No, there are people that are knowledgeable about different industries and they are passionate about it. You just put money there and let them run things. Because all you need to do is to be a part owner of their company. You don't need to be in that sector. Just put 10, 20%. There are a lot of companies that I own 10% of the company. I own 20% of the company. And I'm not there. Do you understand? So it's very important. Across industry. Number 3, across geography. You must have multiple streams across geography. Now what that means is that all your money cannot be in Enugu. All your money cannot be in Lagos. All your money cannot be... Imagine that all your investment is in Ukraine and there's war. Hello? You guys remember what happened with Biafra? And a lot of Igbo people, they come and build 10-bedroom mansion for lizard in the village. And they are tenants in Lagos. Because of Biafra mindset. It's Biafra mindset now. Oh, in case they drive us, come out to let's secure. All the houses you are building in the village is not producing money. You come there once a year. Lizard and animals are the one living in the mansion. And in Lagos, you are a tenant. So you must have across what? Geography. Nobody said don't build in your village. If you know your culture, no problem. It's your culture, it's your belief, fine. But instead of doing that alone, have investment in different geography. Because this world, if you go to the north, ask people that used to be in the north, in the Zango, Kataf, and other people that lost everything and had to relocate back. So you need to have in different geography. Number 4, multiple streams across currencies. If all your money is in Naira, you are a poor man. Oh. All that's your 1 billion. If I change it to pounds now, you realize that you are not a billionaire. Hello? A man showed up in our conference last year, a 70-year-old man, at 1.6 billion in a major bank, and he thought that he was doing well because 1.6 billion, as at last year, dollar was 346 around July, August, and then it went from 346 to 760. So while the dollar was 300 and something, his 1.something billion was like $5 million. But when the thing jumped to 700 and something, his 1.something something is less than $2 million. Why he's still alive? His money. Because people don't understand. When they tell you that Dangote's Dan Tata gave Dangote 500,000 naira to start business, many of you don't understand that 500,000 then was $500,000. It was 1 naira to $1. So what the man gave him to start is $500,000, not 500,000 naira. So if they give you 500,000 naira now, don't say hey, it's the same money they give Dangote. No, it's not the same money. Hello? Are you getting what I'm saying now? So across currencies, do you know that your Nigerian passport gives you access to over 100 countries? That your Nigerian passport that you are looking down, that green passport, you can use it to enter over 100 countries free of charge. That Nigerian passport does not only give you access to over 100 countries, it gives you access to live in those countries for 6 months every year. But you are carrying the passport. All you want to do is go to Canada, go to America, and Benin Republic there, you can be a billionaire. Ghana there, you can be a billionaire. Togo there. These are places that when you enter with your Nigerian spirit, you can change things. Go to Togo. You see Nigerians there, big boys, doing massive things. Ordinary babies alone, they are buying cars. And you are here struggling. You want to go to Canada, you want to go to America. Hello? So, across currencies, because Nigerian currency is being devalued consistently. So you need to hedge against that by making sure. Many of you want to send your children abroad for university. Is it to change naira? To bring there is a case that blew on social media this week now of one man of God that sent people abroad. The guy no fit pay again. He said no fit pay. He said dollar don't spoil market. The children provoke, they go social media. Hello? They provoke, they go social media. The man say, I don't have money again. Nigeria has changed. There have people all over the world that I'm paying for. It's tithe and offering. By the time I change it to, so you sort yourself out. Hello? Say if you cannot look for your family to continue, come back to Nigeria. I will pay for your private university here. Or come to Open University. I will get you a job. They don't carry other one, go social media out. They go until the man to come provoke, begin curse them. 2 wrongs does not make it right, begin curse. Hello? But if you look at the case very well, I have a different perspective. People were employed to do a job. I say it's because the man is not a businessman. That's why you are sponsoring irresponsibility. They were employed to do a job in a company, and they were dancing. And they were sacked for dancing on duty. You now carry them and send them abroad. You cannot use money to endorse irresponsibility. When you reward irresponsible behavior, it amplifies. Instead of punishing those children, you send them abroad. Now they have shown you their true color. They don't go social media, now they provoke. It's not your father, it's not your, somebody sent you abroad. Where you're supposed to hustle for yourself, then they wear agbada, then they stand near this bed, they do big boy on top of another mama. Now the man say, no get money again, then they insult him. Hello? One boy in Lagos, whether he stole money or he lied, the mother wanted to beat him. She said, mommy, calm down, mommy, calm down, mommy, calm down. The thing went viral. Instead of them to rebuke the boy, governor invited the boy to, our governor invited, he get time for the useless boy. He invite the boy what they're supposed to do deliverance for. Now I'm robber, they start so, they know. Now another company took the boy as a ambassador. They started giving the boy money. That's how you develop people to become crooked. Instead of to say, this thing you have done is wrong, I invited you because you are going viral. To let you know you cannot be telling your mommy to calm down. You should calm down from that bad behavior. You're a young boy. Pace your study. Everybody there. That's how we endorse irresponsibility. Because when I saw that, I said, what did this man do wrong? So I started thinking. I said, it's true. This guy is actually misbehaving. They're supposed to punish them all. You now rewarded them with Cyprus. And now, happy boys. Now they have made you sad. Hello, somebody. Have you seen the 5 levels? How many have I given you now? 4. Number 5 is across realms. You must have multiple streams across realms. Many of us, if all your investment is here on earth, you are in error. The Bible says, what shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and loses his soul? He said, lay your treasure in heaven, where there will be nothing. That bank, no, they fold up. The bank of heaven, Covenant Bank, does not fold up. So many of us, all of our investment is here on earth. Look, I've seen people. I know people. There are people that the kind of sickness they have now, they can't even remember their PIN number. They can't even press button to enter PIN number. And so that's how they are billionaires. So when life happens, you suddenly realize that there is nobody but God. So if you don't have investment in the realm of the spirit, so when we are telling you bring tithe, bring offering, you think it's pastor that is after them. No money, keep your money, keep your problem. The day your problem will land, even pastor will pray, God cannot answer, because there is no pastor on earth that is anointed to answer prayer. They will pray with the whole of their hearts, and you will die with ease, and they will continue the crusade and burial, because no pastor can answer prayer. So even if the pastor loves you, oh God, my brother, my son must not die. God says he's your son, but he's a rebellious child. All the money I sent through him, all the school fees he's supposed to pay, all the outside he's supposed to pay, all the hospital he's supposed to pay, all the people he's supposed to help, he used the money to be building houses for himself, sending his children abroad, buying cars that he does not need. Say now, his time is up. I have to replace him with somebody else. May you not be replaced. May you not be displaced. May you not be misplaced. In the name of Jesus. Lift up your hands and thank him for this session. Thank you. Thank you.